Hey, it's Brock Patterson at Reddick Brown Ford. Just want to say thank you to all of our YouTube viewers and subscribers. What an incredible year. It's been a roller coaster throughout the year. We've seen some great new products hit the marketplace and some tried and true that have been out there for the last few years leading the way. Reddick Brown Ford is America's #1 Ford performance and specialty vehicle dealership. We get it right, no games, no gimmicks. Now, we're entering 2024. We've got a new truck that landed for 2023. This is the Fox Factory Apex Edition. So you're gonna see a lot of these hit the market. It's a lower entry-level price. It's gonna be an XLT chassis with a lot of options. You're gonna have leather seat covers, 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, 20-inch wheel, cool fender flares, running boards. It's a nice entry-level lifted truck. It's gonna get you that 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on all components. So a lot of peace of mind, high quality, and the leader in that suspension off-road market in Fox Factory. So Reddick Brown Ford, we've got a handful in stock: agate black, carbonized gray, Oxford white. This is a great product for those of you that want to take advantage of Ford's special financing offers that apply on the F-150 model and include any of the conversion pieces. Listen, it's a great time to buy. We've got some great deals as we close out 2023 and enter 2024. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy New Year. Exciting news coming out of Reddick Brown Ford for 2023. We're giving this golf cart away. This is an E-Z-GO Freedom RXV Elite. It's a super 4-passenger golf cart. Front end looks like a Super Snake Mustang. 4 passengers, upgraded Shelby leather components. This thing is massive. Lots of storage, lithium battery, and this is lead foot with a beautiful 14-inch chrome wheel. Now, how do you win this? Any new Shelby vehicle purchase in 2023 calendar year from January 1 all the way through December 31st will be entered into a drawing to win this golf cart. That's right, any purchase, new purchase from Reddick Brown Ford in 2023, you're entered to win this awesome golf cart. Now, it could be a Shelby Super Snake Mustang. It could be a Shelby F-150 off-road, Shelby Super Snake F-150, crew cab, lowered 4-door truck, Super Snake Sport, Shelby Baja Raptor, Shelby Super Baja F-250, maybe even Shelby Bronco. Enter to win with your purchase here at Reddick Brown Ford. One lucky winner is gonna get this.